we do bite our bottom lip at the end. You're going to say aft.
Aft.
Now we're going to say raft.
Raft.
Oh, hold on. I heard the, oh. That meant your tongue was down and your jaw was moving around, okay? Let's get ready. In our position, tongue is up. All right. Strong tongue. Raft. Oh, I'm seeing raft, and your whole jaw is sliding around. Can you put your hand under your jaw like this? Say, be still, jaw.
Be still, jaw.
Be still, jaw. We don't need you on this one. We just need our tongue, right? Raft. Excellent. Let's do it again.
Raft.
Excellent. 3 more, buddy.
Raft.
2 more.
Raft.
1 more.
Raft.
Amazing.